how to set mobile networks to 5G or 4G preferred on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. After that, scroll down and then tap on mobile networks. From here, go down and tap on network mode. And from the pop-up, you could select 5G preferred or 4G preferred. So select one of the available options. So if you don't like to use 5G, you can select 4G or you can select 5G network. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.